In this video, we're going to show you how to install the speed sensor on your Jeep Wrangler located on the back side of the transfer case. Disconnect your electrical connector by just lifting up on this tab and pulling this out. Set that aside. Use an 11mm socket or wrench. You want to go ahead, loosen and remove this. Go ahead and spin that bolt out. You want to go ahead and take this unit. I'm going to twist this and work this out like so. This is just a rubber O-ring securing this into the main gear unit. Take the new unit, I'm going to line this up. Push that in. Go ahead and install your bolt. Once we have that bolt in there, we just want to go ahead and snug that down. Just gently snug that down into place. You don't want to over tighten it. Go ahead and take your harness and line that up. Press it on until you see and feel that little connector lock in. Once you've done that, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.